Ako na mauririn ko ako timenton oro na may kan yung kaya pinini can play on the Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2, the final. So I can okay.
Hook up, Sergeant. Let's get after Hassan.
Ghost, where's that? You have eyes on?
Affirm. Flashing now.
Copy visual, T. What have you got?
Civilians.
Hostages.
Hassan's buying time.
You lads clear all threats. Bravo 3 secures the hostages. I'll be on the target floor.
Reposition if you need. 2 X-rays below. You're more visible to enemies this way.
Copy that.
Clear the area before you move. Clear. Bravo 3, 5-5 secure. 4 X-rays ahead. 3 in the room, 1 in the hallway. We're clear.
So, sit rep.
1 to go.
5 X-rays on the
In
next
position
floor.
on the target
3
deck.
move in, 2 stationary. Get a visual before you engage. Bravo, we're clear on 5-1.
07 copy. Moving.
Rice. All hostages secure.
Copy. Rally on the server floor. Charges set. Get clear.
What you want? We're on the target floor. What's your status? Laswell, what the hell was that?
John, the missile is active. It's in first stage. Be advised, controls are not in the container.
That means Hassan has them. We're pushing into the target area now. Out.
We need those controls.
Let's hope Hassan's here. Spotted that one.
Clear.
Negative on Hassan.
Why is Hassan using the server room?
Most secure place in the building. Move up.
Clear. No Hassan.
All stations. Negative on target. Moving to control room now. At the control room. Stack up.
Fucking hell. He's gone.
Vision on the control room. All stations negative on Hassan. Control room is a dry hole. Ghost, you got anything?
Affirm. Possible visual 46th floor.
Copy. We're moving. Back up, Sergeant. Hook up. Entry point is 4 levels down.
All Bravo 5's making entry on 442.
Copy. We'll push them your way. Let's tighten the noose. So we find those controls, it's up to you to disarm that missile.
Copy that. Done it once before.
RPG! Get down!
Bravo, be advised. Hassan is in the stairwell. He's moving down.
Solid copy. Gas! He's headed your way. Shoot it down.
Roger that.
Clear! Get to the stairwell.
Guys, sit rep. 07, target's cornered. Floor 46.
Copy, we're moving to you. On me, Sergeant. Let's hit the stairs. Downstairs. Move!
All stations missile is hot. I say again, the missile is launching.
No!
Fucking hell.
Watcher, where's the target?
Unknown, we're working on it.
Copy. We're going for Hassan. Where's Hassan?
Into the hall. Hassan's held up behind those doors.
Let's have a back at them.
Got him cornered in this room. Follow me. Hassan's behind those doors.
I'll stick a camera in there. So, get positive ID on Hassan. We need those controls.
I'll get them.
You broken? I'm good. Go, you got this.
Soap, let's move.
Watcher, Hassan has the missile controls. We're going after him.
Copy. Be advised the missile is headed towards DC. We don't have much time to divert.
Hassan's in the last car. Use the lift cars to get down there. That car won't hold! Get down! Move, Sergeant! You're dead!
Shut!
So, what's the status?
Construction floor. Control secured. Lost my weapon.
Copy. Stay out of sight. Passing comms to what you want.
Soap, the missile was launched, so you'll have to remote detonate it.
That I haven't done.
I will guide you, but it will take time. Open the controls when you're ready.
Okay, I'm ready. Shite. The target is DC. Coordinates 38, negative 77.
That's the Pentagon.
Hold on. He's going for Shepard.
No, Shepard's gone.
Yeah, well, there's 30,000 people who aren't. Finish it.
All right, I'm ready.
Sergeant, first you have to enable diagnostic mode. Hit clear and mode at the same time.
I'm in.
Next is the override. You should see 4 columns of data. I need to know what's in row 2, column 3.
Override on.
Copy, get safe. This next part will make some noise.
Stand by.
Your empire has fallen from within.
Get safe and open the controls. We have to do this now. Soap, get to a secure location and open the controls.
Okay, what do I do? Let's go.
Last step. Hit link when the green light is in the 4th position.
It's detonated.
Copy that. Air Force will confirm. Thank you, Sergeant.
Yeah. Pleasure doing business with you, Laswell.
Where's Hassan?
Not alone. He's got 18 guards with him. I'm gonna kill every one of them, and then I'm going for him. Out here.
Steaming bloody fucking Jesus.
Nicely done, Johnny. Now for the hard part.
That was the fucking hard part, LT.
Let's find out. You need to stay alive, take out the guards, and kill Hassan.
I just need a weapon.
Make one.
Aye. Like old times, huh, LT?
Seems like yesterday.
It was yesterday.
Could pry open one of these toolboxes.
Careful, Johnny. That'll make noise.
Found some wax.
Used for smoke traps, if you remember.
I found a box cutter.
That'll do some damage. If you deal with armored AQ, advise you stun them before going for the kill.
There's a microwave.
Find some metal. You can spark it and distract one.
Where?
Check the workers' scrap bins. Might find some there.
Chemicals.
Could be used for a trap.
Found a mousetrap.
Chemicals and duct tape, you can build a gas trap.
Found a candle.
I can make a smoke bomb.
Go in for the kill after you throw it at him.
Sending his missiles to kill my people. Now his missile has come home.
Stun one. Use your shit. Stab him now.
As he sliced his throat with his arm.
Got one stun. Use your shit. Stab him now.
your nation will see fire. You think you can stop me?
Ghost,
Soap.
watch the window.
We're not attacking. We are invading.
Perfect show, LT.
You called it, Sergeant. All stations. Hassan's down. Enemy KIA.
Officials are saying a power surge is to blame for an explosion over downtown Chicago last night, due to severe winds leaving thousands of residents in the dark. Electricity is expected to be restored by this evening. In other news,
CIA shit.
Creative writing.
I'll never tell.
AQ. Iran.
Cartels. Russians.
Shepard. Shadow. They got past us.
We had a head start. It's cutting the heads off snakes. Any son of Shepard?
Totally off the grid.
No, we'll find him.
Now we've got bigger fish. I've done some digging on the Russians.
Well, that's a dirty job.
Ultra-nationalists ambushed that convoy, John.
Okay, this is over.
No, it's not. They're working with someone new. We don't know his name.
He's not new.
Who is he?
Makarov.
Era poi weekend medakumi era ora intoki na yo to Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 ya para may kay mga iritan ano sinakunan di makainara kay mga karo stream ay. Tapa